Hey guys, so today I'm going out on a date or something and I'm really excited about it. I really want to look my best today, and one thing I'm really concerned these days now is my oral hygiene, because as you know, smile plays a very big role when it comes to meeting people and making connections, and that's why I am trying out this new launch in the oral beauty space by Colgate that gives you a perfect radiant white smile. It's their brand new revolutionary Colgate Visible White O2 toothpaste that gives you one shade whiter teeth in just 3 days. I'm so glad that I came across it, as it's one of the best at-home teeth whitening solutions, a true first of its kind in India. But what is it that's so unique about this toothpaste that has made it such a trending product in the oral beauty space, and also one of my favorite products also? Well, this toothpaste is made up of a very unique formula, a breakthrough active oxygen-based whitening technology which harnesses the power of millions of active oxygen molecules, thus providing you with a never-before brushing experience. I read that using it daily for 3 days, morning and night, will help you get rid of teeth stain and to give you a whiter teeth, and I did that. You can see I used it for day and night for 3 days, and I can't believe how well it worked for my teeth and how white my teeth looks. Also, it really helps in making your breath smells not all bad. It smells very fresh and very good. So this unique teeth whitening at home treatment is just a 3-step process. First, you just need to squeeze out the toothpaste on your brush, and then you can use it on your teeth. Just start brushing your teeth with the toothpaste, and while you do that, it starts giving off a very slightly warming effect in your mouth, and you kind of see a very smooth foam. And I wondered what that meant, but I found out that it was a release of gentle wave of ultra fine whitening foam, and that's the active oxygen working. And I didn't know, and it's like science and magic combined. Like millions of active bubbles get absorbed into the enamel and whiten your teeth, not only on the surface but from the inside out. And you have to rinse your mouth, and ta-da, it's done. The transformation of my smile speaks for itself. I can't stop admiring myself, my beautiful radiant smile. I'm so confident, and all that was just in 3 years of using it. And wow, Colgate Visible White O2 has been the best and the most effective solution towards getting whiter teeth at home, and I can enough recommend you all to try it out, because it's very simple and at home you can get whiter teeth. So I would highly recommend you to try this toothpaste. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and it's available in 2 different flavors. It's aromatic mint and peppermint sparkle. I personally love aromatic mint, but do let me know which one you like. Also, it comes in 2 sizes, 25 gram and 50 grams, so you can choose whatever works best for you. So do give it a shot. Get yours today from Flipkart or your nearest supermarket. The purchase link of this toothpaste is in my description box in case you want to buy. Just use it for consistently 3 days and let me know how is your experience. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.